Welcome to our channel 1 to Step, and today I will teach you guys how you guys can find Puma promo code. So follow the steps which I'm going to show you guys so you guys can find it yourself as well. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel 1 to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Let's move on. So the first thing is, you want to go to this website called Coupon Follow. So search for Coupon Follow and click on the first option over here. Once you do that, it's going to take you to its official website, which is couponfollow.com. Once you're in this page, over here where it says search, you want to click on it and you want to write Puma. Once you do that, it's going to show you puma.com. You want to click on it. And once you click on that, it's going to show you all the promo code available for Puma, as you guys can see. Now from all of these options, choose the one which you like. Let's say I like this $10 off one. I can click on take $10 off and then it's going to show me this code. Now what I can do is just copy it, and during my checkout time in puma.com, I can paste this code and this code will be applied, and basically my promo code will be used during my checkout time and it's going to give me $10 off. So that's how we guys can find Puma promo code. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel 1 to Step. I'll see you guys next time.